morning, dear students. Today I will discuss some important questions from chapter number 1, Object Oriented Programming. Already you got some questions in the home. Along with those questions, you will try to do these questions also. First question is, why is a class called a factory of object? Why is a class called a factory of object? You all know that class is a group of object. Class is made up by the objects and it contains all the information. All the information means about the attributes, about the behavior of the class, and it requires to create an object. Means these attributes and behavior are required to create an object. That's why we say that class is an object factory. Next question, what is the difference between an object and a class? What is class? You all know that class is a set of objects that share common properties and behavior. Class is a group of objects that share common properties and behavior. But objects are the identifiable entity. Each and every object has its own identity. These all objects has their own characteristics and own behavior. But they share their common characteristics and behavior which is required to create a class. Okay, so this is the difference between object and a class. Class is a set of objects and object is an identifiable entity with some characteristics and behavior. These characteristics and behavior are required to create the class. Next question is, define these OOP means object oriented programming concepts. Already we discussed these concepts: abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance and polymorphism. Already I discussed and I was given the presentation upon it, so I think you all are able to do and able to explain these all. Next one, question number 4 is, explain the access specifiers. Which are the access specifiers in Java? Private, public and protected. So first of all you will explain about these all and write the differences between them. So what are the differences? Means private, what is the difference between private, public and protected? Already we discussed about you, but again I am telling you. Public access specifier can be accessed by any method or any object of any class. Private can be accessed only by the method of the same class, not by any other class. And protected, it can be accessed only by the methods of the same class or by the methods of the subclass or by the methods of the classes of the same package and subclasses of other packages. Okay, so private is the most restricted access specifiers which allows members to be accessible only in their own class, not by any other class. And protected can be accessible by the classes of the same package or by the child classes which can be present in any other packages also. And public can be accessed by any class. Now next question, Give two examples each of primitive data type and composite data type. You can give any two examples. Primitive data type, you all know that there are 8 primitive data types: integer, boolean, char, double, short, byte. And how many composite data type? Composite data types are classes and arrays. Okay, so try to do these all questions. Have a great day. Thank you.